Before we can use the whiteboard feature in Zoom, we will need to sign in at ryersonzoom.us. Here you will go to the left-hand sidebar menu and select Settings. You will see a lot of options, but we need to go down to the heading In Meeting Basics. From here, make sure screen sharing is turned on. You can adjust who can share their screen and who can start sharing their screen when someone else is. We will go ahead and select Save. You also need to make sure that the whiteboard feature is turned on. You can choose if you're going to allow the saving of whiteboard content and if you would like to turn autosave on. Now that you've checked your settings, you are ready to host Zoom meetings with the whiteboard feature. To use the whiteboard feature in Zoom, you can go down to the bottom of your screen and select the Share Screen option. From here, you can select the whiteboard option, and then to activate it, click Share on the bottom right-hand corner. Now that your whiteboard is active, you can see the regular Zoom menu as well as the whiteboard menu. In the top right-hand corner, you can select More and choose to disable or enable attendee annotation on the whiteboard. The whiteboard menu has many tools such as text, draw, where you can choose to freehand draw or use shapes, the stamp tool, the spotlight tool, which allows your mouse to be highlighted, the eraser, format options, which allows you to customize the color, width, and your font, as well as the undo and redo button, and several options on how you can clear your whiteboard. If at any point you would like to go back to your default cursor, you can go to the far left-hand side and choose Select. At any point throughout your whiteboard session, you can click Save, and a screenshot of your whiteboard session will be saved to your computer. You can go up to the top to stop sharing, and it will take you back to your Zoom meeting. Whiteboards are available in breakout rooms, but Google Docs may be a better option for collaboration. If you have a tablet that you would prefer to draw on, we recommend joining the Zoom call on your tablet as well as your computer. Just be sure to mute your tablet's audio in the Zoom call or there will be feedback.